This is Mac Billion. Today is Saturday, October 11, 2014, and let's talk about the market. Next week is gonna be really busy with Columbus Day weekend, but Monday stocks and futures gonna be open, no bonds, and we're gonna have Charles Evans speaking at 12:30 p.m. That's it. That's for Monday. But for Tuesday, we're gonna have big companies reporting before market opens. We're gonna have JP Morgan, Citibank, Wells Fargo. We also gonna have Intel after market close. Now, Wednesday, we're gonna have the Empire State Manufacturing, retail sales, and in the afternoon, we're gonna have the Beige Book. Before the market opens Wednesday, we're gonna have Bank of America, and we're gonna have after market close, we're gonna have Netflix, eBay, and Las Vegas Sam. Now, Thursday is gonna be a little more entertainment. We're gonna have a lot of zombies speaking, like Charles Plosser. We're gonna have Easter George. We're gonna have James Bullard. So it's gonna be a lot of talking, and those talking move the market. Then we're gonna have a job claims, industrial production, and before market opens, we're gonna have Goldman Sachs, Mattel, Sunoco, Overstock, and after market close Thursday, we're gonna have Capital One, Google, and SanDisk. Friday is not gonna be too busy. It's gonna be like Monday. We're gonna have a consumer sentiment, housing start, and some companies also reporting like Morgan Stanley, Honeywell, General Electric. So as you can see, it's only a little resume, but there's gonna be a lot of companies reporting. So let's get prepared. Let's talk about the spider. The spider, as you can see here, is still in this big multi-years uptrend channel, but we break down this channel that was from June 13 to this month. We break down the channels. You can see here, you break down that support, and you found a little support at the 200 moving average. I don't see a lot of support there. The major support that I see on the spider is 189.09. Now, because this is the start of the earnings report, I don't know if we're gonna continue down. The major indices are oversold. RSI, if you use RSI, you see it's around 30. So being the market and the earnings report season, I think we're gonna get a bounce. We're gonna get a bounce here, or if not gonna go down more than 189. That's my major Fibonacci support. So you can see here, it was support in March, it was support in April, it was support in May, it was support until we break out at the end of May. So we're gonna go there for sure, 189. If not, we're gonna bounce and probably retest the 50 simple moving average, which is the major resistance we have. We try in this bounce, when we bounce from the support, we try last week, we try again Wednesday, we couldn't get there, and finally we break down. So this breakdown here needs confirmation. So if we open below Friday's low, which is 190.49, we for sure gonna get to 189.09. That's major support, so write down that number. Now let's talk about the DIA, the Dow Jones Industrial ATF. DIA, as you can see here, the same as Spider, is still inside this major uptrend channel, and we have support here in the internal channel. There's some support right here in this internal channel. DMI and Spider and DIA are bearish, and there's no divergence. So you have to be careful. The bears are in total control here, and they'll still have room to go down. Now there's gonna be some room here to navigate to this internal channel, the bottom of the internal channel, and probably bounce just because we are in earning seasons. Now let's take a look at their Russell. So for that, I'm gonna use the IWM, the iShares Russell ATF. We break down major support, which is 107 Fibonacci retracement. But look at this line. This trend line here is very close. We're getting close right there, which is around 104, 103. Right here, this area. We bounced from that trend back in November 2012. So we're gonna go there and probably bounce. If you can see here, the Russell has a huge divergence on DMI. Huge, it's huge. I never saw the IWM, iShares results like that. Look at this. The last time we were like that, we moved sideways for many days and then bounced. But right here, being an earnings report, I think that we're gonna go there and bounce. I don't know how far it's gonna be the bounce, how good it's gonna be the bounce, but we're gonna get a bounce. It's gonna be a relief rally, probably break down the 107, get to 110, but be careful because the bears are in control. And if we are not about the 50 simple moving average, the bulls are not out of the woods and the bear can attack anytime. So be careful. So now let's talk about the VIX. The VIX, as you can see here, this is something that also called my attention. Every time we go to this Fibonacci retracement, 221 or 22, these levels, we usually go down in the VIX, in the fear index. We usually go down. I don't see many catalysts that are gonna keep the VIX at these levels. I got VIX puts Friday, so I'm thinking that we probably could stay there for 1 or 2 days and we're gonna go down, especially if this week, this coming week, there's good reports from the big companies, the banks, the Google, Netflix. If we get good reports, this VIX is gonna go down. This is gonna go to 17, 15. So that's my report for today. I'm keep studying. I'm gonna study Apple. I'm gonna study the other big companies that are gonna report to see if we can play the earnings. I play earnings using straddles. So if you wanna join us, join my billion. This is everything for today. Trade on.